Locked out of your Android phone? In this video, we'll show you 6 methods and 1 ultimate solution to remove your PIN or reset your screen lock without losing data. Choose the best option for your situation. Part 1. Can I unlock my Android phone if I forgot my PIN? If you forget your Android PIN, you can unlock your phone using methods like Google Find My Device, unlocking software, or a factory reset. Some phones allow access through a linked Google account, but some methods may erase your data. Part 2. Forgot Android PIN? Try the 7 quick ways. Way 1. Use screen lock recovery. Enter the wrong PIN multiple times until Forgot PIN appears. Tap it, then enter your previous screen lock. Confirm and reset the lock with a new PIN, password, or pattern. Way 2. Try Google's Find Hub. Go to Google Find Hub on another device and sign in. Select your locked device and click Factory Reset. Confirm and verify your Google password. Once done, the lock is removed, and you can set a new one. Way 3. Use recovery mode. Turn off your phone. Hold power plus volume up or down to enter recovery mode. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm. After the reset, choose Reboot System Now and set up your phone with a new PIN. Way 4. Utilize Extend Unlock. Try unlocking with fingerprint or face recognition. If configured, use a trusted location, Bluetooth device, or on-body detection. Once unlocked, back up your data and reset the screen lock. Way 5. Try ADB Android Debug Bridge. Install ADB tools, connect your phone, and run. ADB Shell ARM Data System Password key or ADB Shell ARM Data System Gesture key. Restart the phone to remove the lock. Way 6. Use SmartThings. Find Samsung only. Visit SmartThings Find. Sign in with your Samsung account and select your locked device. Click Erase Data. Verify your password and confirm. Once reset, the lock is removed and you can set up the phone with a new PIN. Part 3. Ultimate way to unlock phone when forgot Android PIN. Install Android Lock Wiper, connect your device, and select Remove Screen Lock or Remove Without Data Loss for Samsung. Verify device details and click Start to unlock. Follow on-screen instructions to reset and remove the lock.